wọ́n ń kọ́ àwọn ìlú wa lẹ́rú during the slave trade. In as much as we have got here late, but it is still worth a bit of how our forefathers, our foremothers were moved out from Africa to many other countries. You can hear the sound of the water right behind me, and what you're looking right now is the point of no return. Once again, our appreciation to the government of Benin Republic that are working tirelessly, to bring this history back, and that's exactly what you're looking at there. It's still under construction, and we hope that by the time we're coming back again, these will be ready, for tourism and many attractions, because it is important and it is very good for the, the economy of Benin Republic. Nígbà òwò ẹrú tó bá ti gbéyàn débi báyìí kò sí pé ó tún padà lọ́lé mọ́ tó bá ti débi báyìí. That is what they call point of no return. And a similar one bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Badagry, but eléyìí táwọn wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ó súnmọ́ Ouidah nílùú Benin Republic, níbi tí Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Ìyá ní ká wá fi wọ̀n wá. Ẹ̀ á tún láǹfààní láti wá ní ìgbà míì, àmọ́ tí ẹ bá wò dáadáa ẹ rí pé iṣẹ́ ṣì ń lọ ní ibẹ̀ tí President Patrick Talon tó bá ṣe lọ. Ìdájọ́ sọ fún ọmọ Yorùbá pé ẹni tó bá mọ history á lè mọ irú ìlọsíwá tí a ṣe pariwo pé kí ìran Yorùbá kó má parẹ́. Nínú ẹ̀ wò pé omi lẹ̀ ń gbọ́ tó ń dún ní background yẹn. Once again, that is exactly the point of no return. Kéètì wà níbẹ̀, iṣẹ́ ṣì ń lọ tí ẹ bá wo gbogbo surroundings yẹn, and we are praying that by the time we return back here again, this place will be lively, hotel and everything, and it will be bustling 24/7, and it's also good for the economy of Benin Republic. Once again, my name is Olami Koiki, reporting for Koiki Media live from Ouidah in Benin Republic. And with that, at the point of no return, what we're looking at there, very, very emotional, very interesting, lot to learn from this particular history. From wherever you're watching us, remember to follow us and remember to support this particular channel. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Yeah, take picture.